11213 Shasta Ridge Court. We're in West Park, Summerlin Village. 1,470 square feet, 2 stories, 3 bedrooms. There was a conversion, and it is permitted according to the MLS. So you have this great gate. Huh, interesting. Okay. This flooring is listed as vinyl and man-made wood laminate. The code didn't work on the garage door, so I couldn't get that open. The walls are a little dark. Stone counters. Undermount sink. 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. You would get a vertical here, almost definitely, because of the proximity to the neighbors. Some really nice jasmine plants. Definitely need to take care of the weeds. Tree provides a little privacy. Okay, let's head upstairs. Carpet looks good and it feels thick. Overall, the paint looks pretty good. So we have what looks like a quartz counter here. We need some blinds. The paint and carpet looks good. Sorry. About $200 to replace that light, depending on the light you get, of course, but our standard item is $200. About $6.50 a square foot on the second floor to add tile. The carpet looks good. This flooring looks to be in good shape. But tiles definitely the preferred option for wet areas. Sorry.
Yeah, a second.
Okay. Okay.
Starting from the kitchen area, do you foresee this being a challenge?
No, whatever that thing is, or the actual roof, and so as long as the flashing's done right, then there shouldn't be a leaking issue or anything.
Okay.
But we can always have a roof inspector take a look.
No, I just don't know if something like that could be an issue later.
I don't see why. No.
Oh, these homes are really close.
Yeah, they are. Add a shower rod. Cool. Looks good. Carpet paint. The blinds look good. Closet door guides. Looks good.